Hey everyone, welcome back to Mimali. Today we're going to talk about how to propagate cypress trees from cuttings. First, to take cuttings on a young cypress tree, it's best to take cuttings on a young tree because there are many young stems that we can select from the young branches. Now we will find a healthy growing stem that has some brown color in the lower part and got about 4 to 6 inches long from the tip of the stem. And you can see that there are stems that are long and green, but I'm selecting a stem about 4 to 6 inches, including the brownish part of the stem. Cut at the semi-hardwood portion of the stem. It is the portion where it has brownish bark of the twig next to the green bark near the tip of the stem. Then remove the leaves at the bottom of the cuttings and leave only few on the top. And cut the stem at 45-degree angle or just a slanting cut to give a larger surface for the roots to grow. Then place the cuttings in water so it will not dry out until you can root them. But don't let them sit this way for more than 12 hours. Cypress will grow in wide range of soil like acidic, sandy, clay, or loamy. For me, I use my garden soil mixed with compost to make soil rich, and I also use rice hulls to make the soil loose and well draining so that water can drain quickly and will not become soggy. This will make air spaces in soil that is needed by the cuttings to grow and develop roots. Now fill your starter pots or bags that have some drainage holes with soil mix. Then stick the cuttings in soil. You can use a rooting agent to hasten the rooting process, but I do not use it because I can grow it in the natural way. Now pack the soil around the cuttings so it is firmly placed upright and make sure it will not move, but do not make it too compact. The plant needs air spaces in the soil so that the roots will come out. If it's too compact, it might not do well. Sometimes it naturally dies, so you can stick many cuttings or at least 3 cuttings in a starter pot. After planting, water it thoroughly so that water settles around the cuttings. It may take 2 months or longer for the cypress plant to start develop roots naturally. Rooting cypress cuttings in natural way is long, so make sure the cuttings do not move while they are developing roots. It will need to be kept in warm, humid place to help the roots develop faster. And for me, I just put them in full shade under taller plants in my garden and I water them every day. Don't place the newly planted cuttings in sunlight because it will dry out and it will die. The cuttings could take few months or longer to take roots and grow. The signs that it has grown is when you see new leaves at the tip or some roots appear at the drainage holes. When roots are developed, you can transplant them into bigger container or into the garden. Keep the new plant soil moist until it starts growing on its own. Cypress grow best in full sun, at least 8 hours every day. Cypress do not require a nutrient-rich soil. They grow best in moist but well-drained soil. But the plant will be happy if you give it organic feed like compost. And if you like, you can also fertilize it with a balanced fertilizer once every year. Plant your cypress trees in an area that receives full sun or at least it receives 8 hours of sunlight every day. Thank you for watching.